am in Bangalore right now. But first get a look at this view.
I'll make a brand new start of it in old New York.
So this is the place where I'm staying at currently. Today I'm going to be doing less of actiony stuff and talk about something I watched last night. So today is more about this really great stand-up piece that I rewatched last night actually. It's called Jigsaw by Daniel Sloss, and that guy has some great clarity on relationships. And there's this one part where he explains this jigsaw analogy which his dad taught him when he was a kid. So the jigsaw analogy is mainly about how Daniel Sloss's dad told this to him when he was 7 years old, that life is basically like a jigsaw puzzle, but the catch is that no one has their box, so no one knows what the puzzle is supposed to look like. So everyone's just trying to jam in whatever they can wherever they can, but they don't know what the picture is, so no one's ever really sure about their jigsaw. So just like for any puzzle piece which you're not sure about how it looks, you obviously start out from the four corners, right? You know what the corner pieces are, so you just start off with them. So what Daniel Sloss says is the four corner pieces are easy, you know about them. One is family, friends, your job, hobbies or interests, right? So now once you have your corner pieces, this is more or less constant throughout your life. When things change a bit, you might have to shift them around a bit. Like you get new friends, you lose old friends, so you shift out this part of your jigsaw a bit. You gain some new hobbies, you change your job, that lets you have other interests, so stuff like that. Since you've got your corner pieces all aligned out, this centerpiece which gives you the main picture, so this, what his dad told him, is your partner piece, right? Remember, he's telling this to a 7-year-old kid. This is your partner piece, someone who makes you happy, someone who's there for you, someone you're happy with. This partner piece is what makes your jigsaw complete. And what that manifests into the mind of a 7-year-old is that you need someone else to be complete. If you do not have a partner, your jigsaw will never be complete, right? And that's some very crazy thinking, right? And what Daniel realizes then is that what his dad got wrong, but also right in his own cute way, is that for his dad, the partner piece was his centerpiece, that his mom is what made his dad happy. But that's not true for everybody else, right? Your partner is not the centermost focal point of your life. Anything that makes you happy, anything that you're passionate about, anything that makes you feel like you are you is your centerpiece. That does not have to be your partner piece. And this makes a lot of sense to me, because for a lot of people, they're just out there trying to jam anything in here to make their jigsaw look complete. And then 4 years down the line, you're looking at this and you realize that you can't even recognize your own jigsaw. So it's not always the partner piece. What is in fact important is for you to take the time to find your centerpiece. So in fact, what I really love about the jigsaw analogy, which Daniel finally got it right, is that your centerpiece can be anything which makes you happy, right? It can be maybe a bit of your partner, it can be a bit hobbies, it can be made up of a lot of things. It can also be something entirely different. The only thing is, do not restrict yourself to a particular piece because society tells you that that's the piece you need. You take whatever you want, you make your own jigsaw, because that is what matters, and that is what spoke to me on a very different level. And I have no affiliation with Daniel Sloss whatsoever, but I wish I did. But it's on Netflix, and I'd really urge everyone out there to check it out, because it changed how I looked at life. And I saw this around, I guess, 2 or 3 years ago, and it was beautiful rewatching it last night. And I think all of you should get this analogy into your head, because it'll help you be a more complete version of yourselves, to be more happy and confident in who you are, and that you do not need anything or anybody else to be complete.
Blood, sweat, I'm leaving today.